Hi everyone, Organic Worm Castings by Soto here on this beautiful Thursday morning, June 20th. What you're looking at is actually the May 30th worm bed, where I split the worms up twice, and I decided since there wasn't that many worms that I would go ahead and just make these little worm balls. They've been sitting like this since yesterday, and I'll continue to let them sit like this until tomorrow, where I'll go ahead and open them up, check for moisture, and decide whether I'll keep them as a ball or go ahead and fluff them up and spread them out. But I was just wondering if anyone else have seen so many worm balls before. The other thing I wanted to show you is when I was getting rid of the apples, I would pick out the apple seeds, but that became tedious, so I just started to leave it in, and what will happen is the casting is so great that it just sprouts, and then I'm just able to just pull out the apple seed, sprouted apple seed that way. Here, look at this big one. Let's see crack this one open and see what's happening inside. Ooh. One of the things that I like to do, besides making worm balls, is play early bird catches the worm, like right here. He's coming out there, right? But it's true. It's just like how you see on the cartoons with the worms, when the bird starts to grab the worm and pull it. You see how it is? He really sucks to the ground, and I'm unable to get him, but because we have it open like that, we're playing. I can try to grab him, but he holds on to it. Now, of course, if I just wanted to open it up, I can retrieve him, and the game would be over. It looks like he's starting to get the Clitellum right there. So this guy is close to being an adult. You can also tell by his size. You can see the coloring starting to form. Okay, well, let's put the top back on and let him be. The other thing I wanted to share with you, and let me go ahead and switch this out. Be right back.